Do you want to change someone's name on Instagram chat? You can change your friend's name on Instagram direct message with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to change someone's name on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To change your friend's or someone's name on Instagram chat. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on the message icon at the top right of the screen. You will now see a list of chats you've made before. Scroll through your chat list and tap on the conversation with the person whose name you want to change. Once you are on the chat conversation screen, tap on the name or profile picture of the person at the top. This will take you to the chat settings or profile details page for that specific friend. Look for the option nicknames and tap on it. Here, you will see both your name and your friend's name. To change your friend's name for Instagram chat, tap on your friend's name. A pop-up screen will appear. Remove your friend's current name and enter the new name you want to assign to them. Once you've entered the new name, tap Done to save the changes. Now, go back to your chat list, and you should see the updated name you've assigned in the conversation list in chat header.